Now looky here, that there first fancy computer mouse trick that Bobby Dwayne done learnt me was this one right here. And now watch this right here before we's go to starting. We's needing to get an icon on this here doggone desktop, so that I'm gonna punch with my doggone middle finger like this right here, and I'm gonna run my mouse doohickey over this here what's a saying new, and then I'm gonna punch right here on this here what's a saying folder, and then I'm gonna punch the doggone Enter key on my doggone keyboard keys. And now looky here, there's a doggone folder on this here doggone computer monitor screen. And now we's done got the doggone folder, so we's kinda get to learning this here doggone fancy mouse tricks. Okay? Now watch this right here. If and we's go to punching right here on this here icon on this here folder right here that we done made with our doggone pointing finger like this right here, punch, and nothing happens excepting it turns on a doggone light behind that there folder icon doohickey. And if and we's go to punching off that there folder icon doohickey like this right here with our doggone pointing finger, punch, like that right there, that there turns off the doggone light that we done turned on. And if and we's go to punching on that there right there again, that dadgum light's back on again. And Bobby Dwayne was a saying that there's a meaning we done selected that there doggone icon doohickey when we done went and punched on that there doohickey. Okay? And if and we's go to punching on this here four little windows looking doohickey with our doggone pointing finger like this right here, punch, that there start 'em up doohickeys are gonna pop up like that right there. And if and we's go to punching on that there four little windows looking doohickey again with our doggone pointing finger like this right here, punch, that there start 'em up windows gonna go plumb away. And then we's kinda go to punching on this here searching doohickey right here with our doggone pointing finger, and we's kinda go to punching in some doggone word we's wanting to be a searching for if and we's wanting to be a searching for something. And then we's kinda go to punching on any of these here icon doohickeys on this here task K-bar doohickey with our doggone pointing finger like this right here, punch, and on this one right here, punch, like that right there. And then we's kinda go to punching on this here little X looking doohickey right here with our doggone pointing finger like this right here. Punch, and close them there doggone windows. And we's done all that right there with our doggone pointing finger too. And we's kinda go to punching on any of these here itty bitty icons like this right here with our doggone pointing finger, and something's gonna be a popping up like that right there. And if and we's go to punching on that there doohickey again, it's gonna go plumb away. So we's kinda punch, 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 and a punch, and a punch. And all them's called a punch. So Bobby Dwayne was telling me, just remember, if and we's go to punching down once with our doggone pointing finger, that right there's called a punch. Okay?